Hello everybody, so today I will do about the calculus. The topic today is about find the tangent line of the equation. So I will do step by step in each example. Question number 1. We have y equal to x power 2 plus 3x minus 2. So the formula of the first derivative is about 2x, because that's the x power 2 plus 3. So now as s equal to 0, you put in here, and we have this is about 3. So first derivative of s equal to 0, that's about 3. So the formula of the tangent line is about first derivative with the s minus 2so plus yo. So in here we just calculate this is about number 3. We have the 0 in here, we put the 0. We have the minus 2, we put in here the minus 2. So that you got about 3x minus 2. And this is about the tangent line of this equation. Question number 2. We have x power 3 minus 2x power 2 plus 5. So first derivative of this one is about 3x power 2 minus 4x. We have the minus 1. We put in this equation. And you got about 3 plus 4. So that's about 7. So we have the formula of the tangent line is about x minus 2so plus yo. First derivative in this one, you got about 7. So is about minus 1, you got about the positive plus 1. And we have yo is about plus 2. And we have 7s plus 7 plus 2. And you got about 7s plus 9. The third equation, we have y equal to 3 plus 2x plus 3x power 2. First derivative, you got about 2. We have 3 and we have x power 2. So you got about 6s in here. We have x equal to 0 in here. So you put in this equation. You got about 2. Because 6 multiplied with 0, you got about 0. So you got about 2 in here. The formula of the tangent line is about like this. So you have number 2 in the first derivative, you put in here. We have 0. We have 3 in here. So the tangent line is about 2x plus 3. The next one, we do the similar. We have x power 2, you got about 2x. We have x power 3, you got about 9 over 4x power 2. So you got about minus 2 in this equation. You got about minus 4 and minus 9, because x power 2 with the minus 2, you got about 4 and 4 in here, you simplify together, you got about minus 4 minus 9, and you got about minus 13. And we have the formula of the tangent line in here. So you got about minus 13, you put in here. S plus 2 plus 10, you got about minus 13 3s minus 26 plus 10 equal to minus 13s minus 16. So this is the formula in this equation. So question number 5, we have the equation and we have the y power 2. You move to the right. And we have minus 2y power 2. Then you divide minus 2 in this equation. And then you put about the square root in here. So now we will do about first derivative in this equation. Because that is about the square root, we will apply this formula. So this is why you can see that I just apply the same formula. And we do first derivative on this equation inside. So you got about 2s plus 15s power 2 minus 2. And you divide 2 minus 2. So we have number 2 in here. And we can do about the own equation. So we have s equal to 0. So that you got about this one will become the minus 2 divided to minus 2. This one will become the 0. This one 0, then 0. So after we do that, you can see this one you got about 0, and this one you divide, you got about the 0 too, because positive negative minus 1 divide 0, so we cannot unknown. So in this one we don't have about tangent line as s equal to 0, because that's the unknown. So you can conclude that this is about the y equal to 0. This is about the tangent line, because they should be like this. This is about the tangent line of this equation, because if we unknown in here, it means as s equal to 0, there should be the tangent line with the y equal to 0 in this board too. So e equal to 0 is about the tangent line of this equation. So that's the end. Thank you for watching.